Shane's about to get going here. 1 through 10, how's he gonna do?
I just think he might come in a little low, a little late. It's just hard to judge that water. He's running the numbies right now. He's got a spreadsheet going in his head. And that's like priceless when it comes to whitewater. That's like the best skill you could have. If you can run spreadsheets, you can run whitewater.
Exactly.
No doubt.
Johnny got a visa to go to the US of A. And Johnny got so he got the rules he could not wait. Found himself in a careless hands, doing things he can't understand. Johnny got
hot and so hot and so hot and
yeah, conscience.
Me no out for pop it. Pull up to me, bro. Pull up to me, pull up to me, pull up to me, bro. Pop it, pull up to me, bro. Pull up to me, pull up to me, pull up to me, bro. Me no out for pop it. 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 Me no out for.
Just pull up to me bumper, pull up to me bumper. I'm in a long shot double and just bend me over. Pull up to me bumper, hold your key and trouble ten.
when we pull up to your bumper, pull up to your bumper. Sure the parts them genuine. Up on this house, rolled up, park and pull over. And me have to drive up the limousine. When you see the firm body there, with the new shape, and me a run the gas pedal there. Then me sing the clutch and start fling there like a 10 forward in the head. People are sporty, but me like it. I must see Lamborghini design it. So when you park it, make sure you recline the seat. Comfortable like in a bed.
Just pull up to me bumper, pull up to me bumper. I'm in a long shot double and just bend me over. Pull up to me bumper, hold your key and trouble ten.
When you pull up to your bumper, pull up to your bumper. Make sure the parts them genuine. Up on this house, rolled up, park and pull over. And me have to drive up the limousine.
Conscience, pull up to me bumper with them on the hands. Ready for me service, align and balance. Set up me front and keep that walk and stop. Me I know the port is in the Thailand. Bubble me a bubble and me favorite song. You can tickle on my body till you want it, girl. And me proof to you come here and say I'm on. Crank up your shots when you distract. Pull up to me bumper, pull up to me bumper. Come in a long shot double and just bend me over. Pull up to me bumper, hold your key and trouble ten.
When you pull up to your bumper, pull up to your bumper.